Hello, welcome to today's session. So, in today's session, we will be focusing on various amazing aspects. So, let's see. So, in the SQL, we will going to now focus on the like how the like will work, how the between will work, right? And we will going to see how order by statement work in the SQL, and when we need to do the order by, either we need to do the ascending order or we need to do the descending order, or we will going to see it today. So if suppose let's say that I am picking any value that I am interested in. So suppose there is a table that is given to me with the name S. So S is the table name, and suppose the column are S1, S2 and S3. Three columns are there and their values are like 8, 4, 1, 1, 2, 9, 8, 3, 7. Okay, so the value of the table S is like this. So column contains 3 value each. So each column of a S table contain 3 values. So if I want to find out the any number, so I can easily found it in the ascending order. So what I need to write for the ascending order, I just need to write order by. So I will write select command first of all, because we are selecting from. Now comes the table name. Table name is S. Order by, it means what is the sequence that you want. Order by S1. Now comes the column. If you want this in the ascending order, if you want this particular column in the ascending order, then you will write ascending like this. Okay, so now this column you will get as an ascending order. How you will get S1? You will get as an ascending order. So now let's focus on the S2 now. So I want the S2 by the order of descending. It means the number that are present should be represented to me in the descending order. How to do that? First of all, select S order by S2 descending. Okay. For ascending, I am writing ASC. For descending, I am writing DESC. Okay. So now S2 you will got in the descending order. Descending. Okay, I guess you know that what is ascending and descending. It means that descending order means I'm saying that 432, getting the value as 432, and here I'm saying getting the value as 188. It is known as ascending, and 432 is known as the descending. Now, after using the ascending and the descending, I am interested in like and between. So, how to use the like and between? First of all, let's see how to use between. So, now we will be discussing about the between. So, between is again specify the range in which you want your values to be find out. So, might be you are interested in finding the different ranges. So, let's discuss the between. Sometimes you want the values that should lie between some range. So how will you say that? You will write select and then you will say select between. You will specify the column. Select all from. Okay, what is the table? Table name is S, where S3 between 0 and 4. It means what value you will get? You will get all the values, because all the values 4, 2 and okay. If I'm talking about S3, then okay, you will not get all the values. You will get only this value. Because if I talk about the range 0 to 4, then only one will satisfy here. So hence you will get only one. So if I use select from table S, where S2 is between 0, 10. Okay. So remember that if you are using all the lowercase, then put it in the lowercase only. Here also, yes, you will put it in lowercase. So if you are using in a lowercase all, then do put it as a lowercase only. Okay. And don't forget the semicolons. So 0 and 10, so you will get as to 0 and 10. Okay, so in 3 to 4 all are between the 0 and 10 range only. So you will get all because of this star. So now we have understood the between as well. Now, sometimes it happens that we have a table in a varchar data type. Suppose I will form a table as a varchar data type. I has, suppose this is a table and this has XYZ. So the okay, 1, 2, 3 is the value of the X. A, B, C is the value, and ABA, ABC, A, B, C, D is the value. So there is a table tab who's having 3 columns XYZ whose values are like this, shown as like this. So I sometimes need to use the like operator to specify, okay, from where my particular value should start. So from where, like in this value, it is starting from A. So I will write A, and then inside the single quote, I will write the percentage symbol. That means it should start from A. Like you will get then this also you will get, since it's fulfilling your condition that it is starting from A, this value you will get, this value you will get. But once you will going to apply this condition of A percentage here, then you will not gonna get B, you will not gonna get C. You will only get this. Okay. So in the same way, if you apply the like this, that it should end with C, like and with C. Then if you will do this condition over here, then let's see what else you will going to get. If this condition we need to find out over the Z column, then of course you will not gonna get this, you will gonna get this. So this would be with you, ABC will be with you value, ABCD will not be with you since it is ending with D and it is ending with A. Okay, let's come to column number Y now. In the Y, you will of course not gonna get this one, not gonna get this one, but of course you will going to get this one. So in this way, we have understood that how to use the like. So here also you can write select from tab where the like a percentage. Yeah. So this is how you can able to fetch the results with the like. Now after understanding all this, now let's see a real life problem. So we will be doing a case based question here. So this case based question, let's read it first and then we will going to apply the SQL commands here. Okay. So let's start reading it, and once you will get used to it, then it will become easy for us. So let's read it. A student is given the examinations has already given and record has been maintained. So let's first of all see, okay, if the name of this table has been not provided to you, like and the hint is not given, then in that case, take the name of the table yourself. You can make it the table name as paper, or you can make it the table name as uh, student, student data, or you can make the table name as marks. So the first thing that you will gonna do once you will see any of this kind of question is that you will going to find out the table name. So find out the table name. If it is not given, it's better to take the table name by yourself. So in this case, it's not given. So suppose you have taken the table name as marks. Okay. First thing done. Step one done. Now the step two, whenever you will get the case-based question, see how many columns are there. Because if you don't know the how many column, then solving these questions will be bit difficult. So let's see it. So number of columns. Record it somewhere. Maybe you can write it somewhere. Step two is finding out the number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns. Okay. So the table name is marks. Now I get a table marks in which 5 columns are there, in which 2 are int kind of data type and 3 are varchar. Varchar. Let's specify the data type also. So, okay. What are the tables that are actually varchar? Let's find out that. So integer is the paper ID